Okay, we're yeah. We're recording now.
Me.
Is this the same engineer as last time?
What's
No,
his
I
name?
don't think
no,
so,
it's
no.
Not.
Okay, he just has similar colours.
He does look similar, but no, it's not.
Probably get I'm gonna get blast. I probably don't need to buy crits for this round. It's only one giant soldier. I'll get one because I have money for it. You know,
Yeah.
gamers unite.
Wait, why does my staff have like a charge?
What are you?
So you don't just spam it and kill everything.
Did not do that.
No,
I
get
am
in
the
here.
awaited heavy update.
The heavy update's looking pretty good.
Uh-oh.
What are you on about?
Matthew's cosmetics.
I see him.
I hear your bongos.
Matthew, he's
yeah.
cramping your style. How do you feel?
You know, I would cramp myself. I played bongos. Where are you?
Do I look like a robot then, or do I? Do they...
No, you look like a spy wearing a scout mask.
Oh yeah, to you guys. Sorry.
To us, but to them, you like a robot.
So they will think I'm a robot, yes.
And unless you bump into them. If you bump
Yeah,
into them,
unless
all of them will spin around and kill you.
Sounds fun.
Fuck.
Wait, Pastry Boy was the same guy, wasn't it?
Hmm?
I'm pretty sure
Oh,
Pastry
damn.
Guy was the same one.
Pretty sure I'm gonna be
I
honest.
assume I can't backstab the giant, can I?
No, you can. It just doesn't kill them.
Oh,
It just does
It
that.
He does a lot of damage,
yeah.
but he doesn't kill them.
Pretty epic.
Tigers.
I am already on 70 health.
What the hell? I didn't get automatic disguise. What the fuck?
Hmm?
Why did I get auto disguise when I got some?
What are you using? The Eternal Ward. Well, I guess it doesn't work on robots.
No, it did not.
What doesn't?
The Eternal Ward.
Yeah, it does.
Apparently not.
It does work.
I
It
don't-
does.
Well, it doesn't.
It's probably because
Yeah, give you disguise.
they probably just spin around because they hear the noise.
Yeah, but, I'm not-
It
I'm
doesn't
not
make any
being-
noise. I don't really know. They just I don't know. They don't fall for
They
it.
see the body and they're like,
But there's no body with the Eternal Ward.
they're bots, okay?
They probably weren't programmed specifically with the Eternal Ward in mind. You know? Although I don't know if it was out by when MVM came out. I like this Sentry Buster, by the way.
Yeah, poor helpless sentry buster.
I like my aim, it's literally on point.
I have no aim in this game. That's why I like Spy.
You just rely on that sweet backstab.
Yeah, I do. I can't fucking aim.
Aiming as spy isn't really the easiest task in the world. How much money is dropped?
Well, I like a bit like sat like very close to that. I don't really have a problem with it.
That's a pretty good fight.
You.
My game keeps freezing. Help, unwatchable video.
Oh my god, cringe.
Super cringe.
Literally unwatchable.
Literally almost. Oh my god, cringe, bro. Oh.
Yeah, fair enough.
Just kills mouse.
Yeah, it's better than bullying it.
Okay, I am. Oh, okay. It does disguise me. It just takes a couple seconds. So
Where's this big guy? Oh, here he is.
Yeah, there it is.
I'm sure he'll last more than 3 seconds.
Yeah, I'm sure he will.
He's really doing it, guys. Wow.
Wow.
I acted like 2 people. That's so cool.
I'm just gonna turn off my kill sound because it's very loud and I don't want to like.
Where's
No.
the shop?
Go death.
Where's the shop?
It's at spawn.
Spawn one.
I'll have to walk the way back there.
Yes.
Yes.
Use the teleporter or killbind, it's faster.
The teleporter hasn't got two-way.
Killbind.
No, because I don't lose my crits.
You don't.
Okay, walk all the way back then.
Oh right, yeah, you do use your
Fair
crits.
enough.
Fair enough, yeah. Am I fine with the... I always auto refund. I always refund my upgrades every round. Probably.
Yeah, I don't really need to though.
I'll buy one blast.
That's force of nature.
I probably don't need crits because there's no medics.
Yes, I think that is a giant force of nature
That is a
scout.
giant force of nature, yes. If it has a red
Which fun,
background,
isn't it?
then it's...
I know it's a
big.
giant.
This is gonna be fun. Can't wait.
It's gonna be epic, bro. I don't know what you're on about.
Yeah, I can't wait to go flying.
Firing speed, I'll get that. I'll get ammo capacity, and I'll get reload speed, and I'll get health on
Matthew,
kill, and then I'm gonna
you
cry.
are a creature.
You
I
be
know.
creaturist.
No, saying you're a
Oh
creature.
shit, sorry.
I hate Matthew.
I mean, why do you hate me, bro? What's the matter?
Can't wait till we just disconnect for no reason.
He's just really
Guys.
Guys, I'd like to inform that I have one upgrade on my shotgun.
What the fuck is this?
It's Matthew.
Why? I'm more with that guy's head, like the haircut he has on.
What's
No
wrong with it?
problem. I went to the barber in Britain, brother, and they gave me this.
It looks like the hammerhead from Marvel. Like I don't know.
You just went into the barbers and said go
Me when
crazy.
Me when I see big boob.
Ow.
Fuck's sake.
It's a woman,
Ooh, woman, ooh.
What does the sapper do? Is it slow them down?
It slows down giants
I
and
hate you.
stops.
Guys, I think my game froze.
No.
Oh,
I want to exploit the fist
you
of
are
skill weakness.
standing still.
Oh, no.
Wait.
It's back. I'm here. What's happening?
That was quick.
I want to exploit the fist of skill weakness.
Punching them.
Yeah, they hit double melee damage.
Yeah.
Okay, well I don't need help here at all.
Aiming is my passion.
They all just die instantly. I can't back to anyone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I wait for the giants.
When there's like a massive group of them, you can sap them with the max upgraded sapper.
That's when they die.
Oh, I'm about to back that one.
Yeah, spy isn't the most useful class in MVM.
It's the only guy I found
Camp,
fun in the
camp.
game.
It can be
Well,
useful,
black-
but it's not the
Play him
best.
then.
Oh shoot, they're coming from here.
Guys, money, please.
A sentry buster has entered the area.
Demo man with scattergun.
They're no longer coming from up here.
They're coming from up top.
Demo man.
Yeah, but this is pirates and hunts. A lot of huntsmen.
I love the huntsmen in the last MVM video we made where they were everywhere.
Well, like a million of them, yeah.
I'm not even backstabbing them. What?
Yeah.
Why?
That'll happen when they all instantly die.
Yeah, welcome to intermediate.
Okay. No, my like 18 crits. You fucking serious?
Yours 1850 was definitely going to use.
I just like to hoard all my crits and then die with them.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I did.
I like how badly these guys are getting bullied.
And then we
Yeah.
go
I
on,
can't do much with huntsman.
and then we go advanced on the same map. We get bullied.
We get absolutely
Well,
wrecked.
Yeah, is that the big scout?
Pascal?
Wait, is he already?
No.
He already died.
Okay.
Okay. Nice. Oh, there's another one. Oh no, that wasn't the big scout. This is the big scout.
That is a big scout.
I'm just.
He's already died.
I have depth. I just have depth perception, I guess. I thought that was the big one I killed. I'm gonna hoard my random crit canteen. The whole game.
I just backed like a 4
There's a
times.
random crit canteen.
My guaranteed crit canteen.
I extinguished you. You were on fire.
Oh, why did they do that? Okay.
Doesn't
Scout
even
call
notice.
came flying over here, it was majestic.
That scout. Oh no, that wasn't a big. I keep thinking that they're big scouts. I'm just having
Big
like a.
scout's dead.
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 Yeah, I know. That's why I found it
Just
weird when I saw one again. I was like, hang on.
Hebrews.
Okay.
I like how those stickies dealt half the health.
They weren't even crits. There's only like 6 of
I
them
hit
as
him with the
well.
fan of war.
Oh, that makes more sense. It was
So
like,
they should be mini crits.
Why does that actually have 6 health?
because scout gets overhill from picking up money.
Ah. Why?
Look, that was a
Lots
big
of
scout.
overheal.
I guess we could pick up Muddy for longer. I don't know.
Okay.
Big scout, but it's dead.
It was a big scout, but it had the same health as a normal
You're
scout.
being delusional, damage for the big scout dead.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
Wait until you see the video, you'll see what I mean.
Okay.
I'm not delusional, I
I
swear.
think Gavin Spy's video is being cursed. He's got haunted.
Ever
war
since my
footage.
game froze, it's because scout.exe has invaded my game.
Got two-way teleporters.
I'm just gonna sticky jump back, because I'm cool.
Yo, you cool man.
Oh, walk.
That's pretty cool, actually. What's the Illuminati soldier again? The Reflex soldier.
Um,
You know?
good question.
Matthew, TF2 Wiki, what's the the 3-rocket soldier that has like a triangle?
What are you on about?
Mouse.
Repeat.
The soldier at the top.
What's at the top?
Five soldiers.
I think that's a giant rapid fire.
No, I'm invisible. You can't see me.
He might be right about that one, guys.
Man, I'm
Right.
fuming.
Why am I?
What?
Goodness.
Why haven't I come out of cloak yet?
What even is he?
He's walking around cloaked.
Yeah.
Oh.
Why am I uncloaked yet? I'm running around. Fucking Christ! There we go.
Oh, lol.
Should I? I should. Oh, my game.
Wait, it doesn't go down when you jump.
I should probably place crit
Probably help.
stickies. Nah, that's what only losers place
Wait.
crit stickies.
Is that normal?
I don't know.
If I'm in the air, it doesn't go down.
You.
Like,
Matthew.
pro spy tactic. New.
You mean that's why every spy bunny hops?
Oh, is that?
Oh,
I didn't know it was a thing yet.
No, no one used Cloak and Dagger really. Well, no pro spies.
I'm not using it.
It was Dead Ringer.
Profiles, you mean two-eyed dead ringer?
I
Yeah.
pressed F by
Sway.
accident.
I'm using the normal one to do much.
Sweaty is what I mean.
Whoops.
That's reflect.
It's fine. I'll just go in there and WM1. You know what? Spice things up a bit. Yeah, it's time.
That's a big brain.
Okay, no. Heavy backed up to
Well, at
me.
least the scouts with wings.
Yes, there we go.
I'm not I think it might be. I know.
think
I
they
think
are.
one of the. I think. Well, they're dead now.
House been spied.
Well, I'm fine.
Yet you somehow survived.
What?
Oh, 5-1 health. Do you want to go just to the dispenser?
Nah.
Me?
You're fine.
I will.
There's a big scout up top.
I backstabbed him. Hold on.
Yeah, you
There's
did.
a big
You
scout.
have to-
Come
There's a
on.
big scout up top and Matthew's disconnected.
Has entered the area.
Oh shoot, oh my.
This is not on.
Lol.
Oh, cool.
Well,
So, did the big scouts come from up top then?
Yeah.
Right.
It's Matthew's first disconnect of the video.
Ooh, he's back.
meant to burn.
There's a big scout incoming.
I'm lagging. I'm lagging
There's just a lot
tremendously.
of heavies.
Alright,
You guys can bully him, yeah?
oh well, I got most of them.
Focusing on down low, I was focusing on the giant scout up top.
Excuse me, guys. I got more important
I
things to
need
do.
Funny.
Like, have they?
Funny. Easy soldier. What's money? Where is his money? Where?
Maybe it's somewhere.
It's gone, but where was it?
Oh my god, we're kicking you.
Who killed something and didn't pick up the money?
Don't know.
It might be up top by the
Oh, it's
engineering.
gone. It's disappeared.
I do love moving at the speed of light. Not speed of light. The opposite of speed of light.
It's okay, Archie. We'll just initiate a vote kick.
Oh, cool. Thanks, guys.
I love people who are like that. They're like, you missed $5 and they're like, okay. Kick
Yeah,
down.
even though I wouldn't even know where it was because I was down, you know, in the middle.
This is good content, guys.
It is good content. We did it once, but we'll do it again.
Okay,
I really
no.
don't. I really don't know how we're gonna top this.
It is just giant soldiers now. Don't worry about
We're
it.
we're gonna we're gonna upload a video once every 6 months, right, guys?
Yeah.
I think we should do it every month.
I think maybe we should, make like regular content.
That's effort.
Okay.
What else are we doing?
I don't
We'll
know.
just sit around anyway.
Yo, I got the tip recorder. Let's go.
That's better.
Wow.
Two strange ones.
I have a strange one as well, yeah.
Alright, fucking waggers. I've barely got only the weapon game.
Hey, what it need?
We didn't need my right, guys.
I'm here. I want to backstab you. Okay, I guess you guys are.
Why don't you focus on the big soldier coming down?
Oh, he's not here yet. Like, oh.
He's
No,
about to be.
There
he is.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that happens a lot. Spy is not a good class to play in MVM.
Yeah, it is.
Well,
It can
it's
be.
the only fun class in this game, though.
Well, if you use a Dead Ringer, it's a lot better. The
Yeah.
Invisiwatch doesn't really do much on MVM because they
Yeah,
know
'cause if they see you, they lock onto you and never,
like
actually,
stop shooting at you. So it's best to shoot the Dead Ringer.
because they,
They don't.
always know where you are because they're a bot.
Okay. I hate this. Die, please. Let me at least shoot you one. Oh my.
Get bullied.
I stun them. They're about to get back there, then they get machine gunned to pieces by Matthew.
25 credits.
Oh my god, Archie, did you want to get kicked? Not even kidding. You're asking for a vote kick at this point.
So,
Absolute
I think the giant
cringe.
scouts drop 25 money, right?
I don't know. Maybe.
Maybe.
I don't
So
know.
where would one have been killed that I wasn't? Either up top
Up
or
top,
near the
most
door.
definitely. Most
So it
definitely
was
up top.
almost certainly up top, so the engineer was always up there and could have picked up the money.
Well, I was also up there.
Yes.
I never went
But
up
I
there.
saw
I'm
you not
kind
up
of
there sometimes.
Stupid.
Does the
I
road
saw
tip
you
record
not
do
be
anything
up there
different?
sometimes. The engineer was always there.
Does the road tip record do anything different in MVM? Or not?
I don't think it does now.
I don't know, I don't think it does anything different.
Hello, bird. Please don't start screaming. I beg. Oh, no.
It'd be funny if he did.
I beg.
I'm totally shaking
Okay.
and crying right now.
I think Archimedes is gonna chirp for a while, so.
Epic.
Man just wants to vibe, okay?
Background
I think he
photos.
should be the face of the channel. He should run the channel.
Oh, he should, he should.
I
He should
think
make all the videos. He should, yeah.
Archimedes cam day 1.
Wait, the game's gonna change characters.
No, I've been demo this whole time.
I can't tell. I'm done, man. I feel like you're lying to me, but
No,
Wait until
yeah.
the video goes out. You'll see I never changed character.
I feel like changing characters is a bad idea, though, isn't it?
You can just refund your upgrades.
You can refund your
What?
upgrades, yeah.
Excuse me.
Refund
Oh,
upgrades every
I do
round.
that every round, you know.
I did not know you could do that. How did you do that?
When
Like,
you go into the
so you
upgrade
refund
station,
upgrades.
it's in the bottom left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good.
Hey guys, I think this guy might just die immediately.
I don't know what you mean.
Yay, I did it.
Instant death.
Damn, that was a tough one.
Took a while, to be fair.
Robot top.
He
Oh,
lasted.
there?
He lasted more than 1 second.
Oh no. The engineer picked it up, okay.
Where's our engineer built?
Just
Up top on that bridge in the little room.
Oh, okay, so he has built up there, alright. I didn't see
These-
sentries.
The robots are from Greyman, aren't they? They're not from Blueman.
no, they're from
Yeah.
Greyman. Yeah,
Then why are they blue?
they're supposed to be grey, I think.
Exclamation mark join blue.
Exclamation mark join become robot.
Exclamation mark robot.
Oh no,
Oh.
don't know. I saw pyros, I got scared.
Wait, I'm scared as well. Pyros,
fine.
hold on.
Mouse is the one who should be scared.
There isn't anything like real TF2 horrifying.
Ow. Easy.
You?
Making you fall from the sky.
Okay. like
Yeah,
one of
that'll
like,
happen.
four pirates just look at me and go,
Thanks, bro. I'm not going insane, by the way. Some of the small robots just appear as massive for some reason.
No,
Oh.
they don't.
For me, they do.
Are you sure you're not going insane? There's
Watch the
money,
video, then you'll find
money.
out.
No, I won't.
Well, then you're gonna have to just trust me on it.
I don't.
Ow, 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 ow. This big man does a lot of damage.
Yeah, he does. Well, I mean, he would if I didn't have max resistance with everything.
Okay.
Also, we've missed quite a lot of money again.
Whose fault's that?
Oh.
Well,
Engineer
you're
is-
going to say
Well,
me,
then
but I blame the engineer because he's up there
I-
on the bridge.
I
It's
saw
very
like
annoying
all
to
the,
try and get up there.
I saw all the money up here, and I didn't take any of it. There's also somewhere the robots.
I just kind of trusted him to pick it up,
Rookie mistake.
you know, because he was over there. And it takes a long time to get up there.
what?
So I need to max up jump.
I was looking and like, ugh, why did it back to the
You backstabbed him.
No, I did, but like I did it like after like looking at it for ages and clicking the fucking button. It didn't do anything.
Yeah,
I see death incoming.
TF2.
When's
Got rid
TF2?
of the medics on one of the heavies.
Now.
Ooh, I just bought back for 85 credits.
Oh, hell yeah.
Hell
Worth it. Am I right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Lol. Guys, there was an engineer building. Also, I
What?
completely. I got rid of it. Also, I completely screwed up my crit sticky trap.
Mhm.
Because I'm just that good at the video game.
Why does he target you?
I don't know. Funny.
Yeah, we did it.
There's an engineer coming.
Why?
14 health.
Is there any more big
Guys.
robots? Yeah, there is. God damn it. Oh, look, there's one.
Guys, I'm on 30 health.
What, there's a bullet hell? Jesus Christ. Come down
Stand on
with
this
the,
fire.
come down with the,
Power of reflecting.
come down with the rockets.
Stand on this hellfire if you like.
And this hell.
Sands Undertale.
In Team Fortress MVM, new robot
Stands
type.
under her tail.
Be quiet.
Yes.
Shut up.
No, what the hell? What's wrong with stand under her tail, huh?
Be quiet.
Asco.
Be quiet.
That is cool.
Yeah.
No, I haven't seen under her tail. Or not all of it.
Good thing this is all on recording. Am I right? You're getting cancelled now.
I do not care.
I don't care.
Welcome to Cancelville. Population it increases by 1 every day because you know. Well, there's the boy.
There's disconnect number 2.
Is it? I think it's number 3, isn't it?
I think it was number 2. Maybe it was.
Smells, remember you can refund upgrades.
Oh yeah. Yeah, how much money do I have now? I've got a lot of cash, dollar.
I didn't mean to refund my upgrades. Oh well.
I've got everything. I guess I'll just.
I'll just max out
Animal.
that. Max out that
Archimedes has
twice.
gone back to chilling.
Good.
Wow.
Pretty good. I thought it was going to start screaming.
Luckily he didn't.
Luckily indeed.
Uh,
Yo, it is Spencer. Yeah. Oh, Matthew's back. He's the man.
He's back, bro.
He is the man.
He is the man.
What's happening?
I don't know. Matthew is the man, I guess.
Yes. Matthew's the man.
I guess, but yeah.
Not you like a high can jump.
I don't know where you are. Where are you? Hello. That's pretty cool, bro.
No.
It's pretty eppin'.
Max
pretty
jump
fog-
height, go bro.
That's pretty little fog term.
You should have max jump height. It's very useful spy.
I'll jump over there, go do a sweet trick stab.
Yeah, the only problem is they spin around, face you,
Go away.
And then he die.
and you
I'm
shot.
aware of that part too.
Oh my god, Mappy's got 0 points. What a noob.
Oh my god, he's such a noob.
Why is that? Why is another one now?
That's a boss, bro.
It's a boss.
He's only got.
Kinda like
He's only got.
in MVM.
He's only got 35,000 health. It's not that much.
I can't tell if that's a lot or not.
Not really.
Chief Blast Soldier.
Kind of is, I guess.
Am I not dead?
You're probably bad to be.
Yeah, probably shouldn't have said that.
Just standing there.
Maybe he'll leave you alone if you don't move. It's like it's
Look,
correct.
it's time 100.
I like how he's staring at Matthew.
Good luck.
I backed it like 8 times. It should be low now, right?
It's already dead.
Oh.
Yeah.
It got heckin' bullied.
Imagine
Dead,
how
bro.
fast that would be if
Can't
had,
be.
the thing.
You guys are up top.
You see that?
Don't worry, I'm back.
I want to get the money up though, actually, yeah.
There isn't any right now. It's essentially just shooting at Vicious Steel Heavies.
Hello, Mr. Callings. Please stop contacting me.
Don't be racist
Okay.
against the pyro, please.
Why are we being racist?
He's falling.
Wait, Miss Point's racist.
Mega
to Pyro.
racist against the pyro.
Are they? Really?
Yeah, sure. Why not?
Go for it.
Wow, worst character in all of gaming.
I know, right? Money? Money? Money?
I'm a Sentry Buster.
And
He should be able to disguise as Sentry Buster. Come
What would that do?
on. You can disguise Sentry Buster, I guess. Back there, back there. Ow! Ah!
Dead. That's cringe.
There's mega cringe.
That's ultra mega cringe, bro. Oh,
Yo, don't mean to alarm you, but there's robots coming.
oh shoot, man.
Just blow him up.
No, I was about to back to that guy. I'm just holding down melee. I'll probably kill someone, actually.
Do you have help on kill a spy?
Yeah, ow. Oh, that'd be really good, because then I can keep back to people and staying alive. It's kind of like the
Yeah, no, I was asking if you did, so I'll tell you to put it on.
oh, you know.
No, not the kunai, the
why the hell are they marked death?
because they're carrying the gloves are running urgently.
I think I'll put the kunai on, don't worry.
Yes, that. You're right.
Whatever that thing does, it used to be good, but now it's awful.
What?
The
We were
gloves.
bad, but now we're
The
good.
gloves make you run fast.
Good gloves.
Conch?
I love hearing the conch in the distance. Our time is nigh.
No, we'll be fine.
Okay, well. I like to back to someone, but, you know.
That's illegal.
There we go.
Awful. Murder is bad.
We were good. But, wait.
I almost walked straight into that sentry buster.
I don't know if all the soldiers who just killed themselves.
Hmm?
I don't mean to alarm you, but I hit robots.
I don't mean to alarm you, but I see robots.
Oh no. That is really alarming.
Love it when they just spawn.
This knife is
I'm to
really.
alarm you, but I see a rather large robot.
It's Vex.
No, it's just...
It's
Shut up.
Vex. And what is all you need? Like it's two.
That's 2 words.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's do some gamer tricks down. Never mind, everyone's dead already.
Yeah.
No, wait, don't kill me.
Like those 2 Demon Knights just turned into the corners, blocked you and killed you.
I know.
At least you asked.
I'm pretty popular.
You are pretty popular. JK, you're just a
Yeah.
mouse.
Oh, can't reveal my identity like that.
Your identity's out there on the internet now. You are a mouse.
You are.
No, shush, stop
You are a
telling
mouse
me.
that in fact gains the ability to
Good docs,
speak.
nerd.
You are now going to be hunted down by the FBI or something and taken
am.
away.
I'm Pinky and the Brian, I'm both.
Taken away.
Rip
You better
mouse.
watch every corner for that trap.
Don't worry, I like traps.
You like mouse traps? Whoa.
That's what
That's a mouse first.
What?
You're a
Oh,
mouse.
Oh my
and
god,
like-
mouse the masochist.
That's me. That's Damascus.
Anyway,
Why am I still being shot at? Wait.
Giant
They don't-
head knows
they don't
where you
stop-
are.
they don't stop shooting
they
at you
don't
just because you're
stop shooting.
disguised.
Yay.
I'm pretty sure if you go around a corner, and then disguise and come around the corner, they'll still shoot at you because they still know you're a spy.
I'm just a soldier.
Yeah, probably.
Well, you can't just change on the last wave. Archie,
Yeah.
It's no info.
Did not know what to do.
You can't just change on the last wave.
Archie.
Nothing to change.
come on. No more
No.
scout gameplay. I just cracked my knuckles and my time is over. We're already on the last wave.
Yeah.
Huh. We should have done a normal Cold Town for a video.
Nightmare mode.
Boring as.
What do you mean?
Nightmare mode. Come on.
We'll go, what's rock
That's
versus?
medic, bro.
Get my taunt button. I don't have my taunts equipped.
Cringe.
Give me a swift second here. Let me just. Okay, let me just. Just give me a swift second here.
Just wait, it's the normal. Good enough. I've just got everything to do more damage.
Nice direct hit.
What's wrong with the direct hit, bro?
Not exactly what I would have gone with.
What are you
It's
going?
vibe.
What's wrong with the direct hit? It does
Hello,
not that.
Gavin. This is the vibe corner.
I'm getting a restraining order on all of you.
Oh yeah. Alright,
Quite rude.
that's not vibing.
The last wave.
So,
Not fail now.
I like-
Right.
Oh yeah, Mikey, do you like Chloe's Medigun name?
I haven't seen it. How to check?
You just
Uwu time to quit. Uwu.
pretty funny, right?
It's hilarious. I love it.
it's brilliant.
You were supposed to say no.
Yeah.
Sorry about you.
Engineer, please
Help
pick
me!
up
I'm
on me.
fucking dying.
That's unfortunate.
That's really
Oh,
unfortunate.
Bit preoccupied right now.
Oh.
I thought I had the Crusader's crossbow equipped. Turns out that I do not.
Ah.
Neighbor, if you're using the overdose.
Oh wait, I'm alive. Wait.
I'm not even using it. This is the thingy one that gives me health when I hit people.
I'm actually doing stuff now. This is awesome.
Engineer, look out for that sentry buster.
Dude, you got a shield? Hold on. When's this? When?
So,
Medic's ult, come on.
Met it so.
I hate engineers in MVM.
I know they have like 8 billion health. You
I
know,
was referring more to my team's engineers.
don't hate them, bro.
But they never pick up money. They never do it. They just walk away from it.
He's got a
They're
10.
right next to
Who's
them.
on
It's like,
extremely
it's
low
fine.
health the internet? Here you go, friend. I'm gonna ask it if you.
I love being fortunated across the entire map. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it's pretty funny, isn't it?
Pick up money really massive. Hang on, wait.
Another sentry buster has entered the area.
That's
Wow.
a spicy amount of grenades.
I know, right?
I'm dying.
The fat armor guy.
Sorry.
I guess this is easier than the other waves we had.
Don't know what you mean.
So
Wait,
we-
the wave's almost over?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Oh. Why is the wave almost over?
Long.
I'm not sure because we're gaming.
We're just
Oh, that makes
such massive pros.
Not MVM, the hardest mode ever.
Yeah, I know.
I can't
So
believe
difficult, bro.
I can't believe Valve added MVM to main TF2 servers and then forgot to
I
add the
know,
upgrade
right? So
stations.
cool of them.
Oh, what?
You know, they added
Right.
MVM to the main modes like capture the flag, but they forgot to add the upgrade
Well, they
stations.
still have the upgrades, didn't they?
So like you just get headshot from across the map by like an aimbotting sniper. It's like how am I supposed to do anything about that? Bullet resistance. You know?
Bullet resistance, come on. That's fine.
What's he gonna do?
Yeah, exactly.
Don't know if Archimedes is gonna go on a shopping spree
No!
next year. Why not?
That's
I'm
okay.
back. Wait.
All we have to do is,
Die.
all we have to do is kill this guy, and
We
we
did it.
win.
Rocket jump.
That was incredibly easy.
That was difficult.
I'm dead.
Easy game.
Oh my god, bro, he kill binded when I interacted with him? Bro, that's crazy.
Whoa, that's funny.
Well, that was easy. Matthew, you okay? Okay.
He's fine.
I'll take that as a no. I'll take that as a no.
Now that was a real fun round. Just Onzo's gonna be. Our fans are gonna be so pleased with us.
I know.
Our fans being
Me.
Ourselves.
I'm still recording,
Goose.
guys. Hang on, before we hang on. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.